can reading activity as well. Alright, today I will give you a reading tutorial for homework on 28 March and I hope you can do your reading activity to improve your reading skill. Okay, as usual, we will practice the English first and then Bahasa. We have some sentences and a short story for both. Okay, let's start. Number 1. I sent a mail to my friend about our plan to visit the beach. Number 2. Today is a beautiful day, perfect for going to the sea. And then number 3. She cooks delicious meals using fresh meat from the market. Number 4. I've been waiting for hours in my seat, but the bus still hasn't arrived. Number 5. My feet hurt after walking for hours to meet the bee. Number 6. It's a great idea to enjoy the beach with a cup of tea tonight. Number 7. My friend and I spot a bee on a tree branch across the green bay. Number 8. We eat some meals while playing with clay, shaping leaves and trees. Number 9. I asked Mom to buy me crayons at the mall and she paid for them right away. Number 10. The rain was very heavy this morning and I was late waiting for the train. Okay, now we will go to our short story. Emma is running late to set up a surprise birthday for Olivia at the park. As she walks through the gate, she notices the cute rose blooming in the garden. She has ordered a delicious cake and ice cream cones. And her friend Jack is helping her set up. They ride their bikes to pick up the cones. And Jack tells a joke that makes Emma laugh. As Olivia arrives at 9 o'clock, Emma shouts, "Surprise!" and Olivia's face lights up with joy. They spend the day eating cake and playing games, making it a birthday to remember. Okay, now we will go to another story from Sanskrit 4 in Unit 1 until Unit 8, page 6 until 66. Let's go! As I walk along the beach with my friend Ralph, we see a clam shell and a pink flower. Ralph is brave and trying to ride his sled. Meanwhile, I'm playing a tune on my trumpet, wearing a sweet and lovely pink dress. We stop to smell from nearby shop. Then we buy some fish food to feed the fish in the pond. As we enjoy the view, Ralph starts to sing a song, and I pull out my phone to record it. Sitting on a stone bench and feeling grateful for our fun day. Nah, sekarang kita akan masuk ke seri baca. Akan ada cerita singkat di seri baca tulis kita, yaitu judulnya adalah Ayo Mandi, di halaman 20 seri baca tulis kita. Let's go! Badu mandi air bersih. Air bersih tampak jernih. Badu mandi pakai sabun. Kuman di badan hilang. Badan Badu jadi bersih. Badan bersih terasa segar. Ayo kawan, kita mandi. Lekas, jangan malas. Nah, sekarang kita akan pergi ke cerita selanjutnya, yaitu review unit seri baca tulis di semester 2 dari halaman 2 sampai 19. Let's go! Rini sangat suka membaca buku. Sedangkan adiknya Badu suka bermain bola di lapangan bersama temannya. Suatu hari, Badu menangis karena bolanya terjatuh ke sungai. Rini memiliki ide. Sebentar lagi hari ulang tahun Badu. Rini ingin memberi hadiah bola baru. Rini pun mulai menabung. Untungnya uangnya cukup. Pada hari ulang tahun Badu, Rini pun menghadiahi Badu bola baru warna. Badu pun sangat senang. Mereka kemudian bermain bola bersama. Nah, kita akan pergi ke cerita selanjutnya, yaitu cerita yang terakhir sebagai review unit seri baca tulis semester pertama, yaitu dari halaman 5 sampai 32. Let's go! Suatu hari, Wahyu dan temannya pergi ke sungai untuk bermain. Mereka melihat ada lebah di atas pohon. Mereka kemudian melempar sarang lebah itu. Karena terganggu, lebah pun langsung menyengat mereka. Mereka terjatuh dan menangis kesakitan. Saat lebah sudah pergi, mereka pun pulang ke rumah. Paman Tono yang melihat kondisi kami langsung mengajak ke rumahnya dan diberikan obat. Setelah itu, Bibi memasakkan kami laksa yang sangat enak. Paman pun menasehati kami agar menjauhi sarang lebah dan tidak mengganggunya lagi. Okay guys, that's all for our reading tutorial. I hope you can practice at home and don't forget to send your video to our WhatsApp group. Okay guys, thank you for today and see you on the next reading tutorial. Goodbye.